Hey there, today we're going to show you how to make a delicious white namkeen mutton karhai. This is a classic Pakistani dish that is perfect for special occasions. Let's make it. First we take clarified butter and a sliced onion. Then we add half kg mutton, fry until it changes color. Add ginger garlic paste, some salt, roasted and crushed cumin seeds, coriander seeds. Now we'll pour some water. Once the mutton is cooked to perfection, it's time to take the lid and increase the heat. This will help reduce the water. Now turn off the flame, add yogurt, grinded sesame seeds, grinded almonds, and crushed black pepper. Turn on the flame and cook until oil separates. Now for the final look, turn off the flame, add cream, mix it well, let it simmer on a low flame for 2 minutes. Garnish it with julienne cut ginger and green chili. Serve this mouth-watering dish with some soft naan and get ready to experience a symphony of flavors in every single bite. Delicious! I hope you enjoyed this recipe of white namkeen mutton karhai. If you're looking for more delicious recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.